वेलकम टू लर्न शॉर्ट एंड टाइपिंग विद विकास सर। प्रोग्रेसिव मैगजीन एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1। फाइनली हमारा जो आपको इंतज़ार था वो वक्त आ गया है। वो इतिहास में पहली बार जो आपकी 108 पे 103 पे यानी कि 98 पे जनरल की वैकेंसी जनरल जो वो आपकी जो लिस्ट लगी है 98 पे, कोई सोच नहीं सकता था कि 98 पे लिस्ट लगेगी जनरल की देख सकते हो आप। और जिस बच्चे के 120 से अभाव है या 110 है, 110 का भी चांस है ग्रेड डी में आने का। इसलिए आप अपने प्रैक्टिस अच्छे से करें और हम आपको हर कोशिश करेंगे कि आप लोगों का सिलेक्शन हो सके। हम आपके लिए जैसे आपकी प्रेसिडेंट की स्पीच, प्रोग्रेसिव, कैलाश चंद्रा, सॉरी ओलो, जितना भी हमारे पास मटेरियल है, जितनी बार के हमारे पास मैगजीन है उतनी ही आपको डिक्टेशन प्रोवाइड करेंगे। काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स ये होता है ग्रेड डी के लिए 80 की स्पीड, लेकिन 80 की स्पीड नहीं, आपको 100 की स्पीड लिखनी पड़ेगी। 100 की स्पीड की तैयारी करें। लेकिन जो अब की बार जो आपका स्किल टेस्ट आएगा, काफ़ी ज़्यादा बच्चों ने रिटन टेस्ट के लिए किया है, इसलिए आपकी डिक्टेशन आएगी आपकी थोड़ी सी कॉम्प्लिकेट आ सकती है। इसलिए आप मुश्किल से मुश्किल डिक्टेशन को तैयार करें और उसको टाइप करें। इसलिए हम शुरुआत करते हैं अपनी फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज। अब हम आपके लिए 840 वर्ड्स की ही डिक्टेशन बोलेंगे, 1000 की भी बोलेंगे, और वो डिक्टेशन आपकी 100 वर्ड पर मिनट से अबाव ही होगी। इसलिए आप इसको ध्यान से सुने और इसको आप अच्छे से टाइप करें। मुझे बताते हुए इतनी खुशी हो रही है, आपसे ज़्यादा खुशी हो रही है कि इतनी कम पे लिस्ट लगी है। चलिए हम शुरुआत करते हैं अपनी डिक्टेशन। एक काफ़ी अच्छा मटेरियल लेके आया हूँ मैं आपके लिए। काफ़ी हार्ड डिक्टेशन है, वो आपको ध्यान से सुननी होगी। और ये कैलाश चंद्रा की डिक्टेशन है आपका। चलिए, ये आपकी 464 है आपकी कॉमन मैगजीन में से। काफ़ी अच्छे वर्ड है, इसको आप ध्यान से सुनिए। चलिए, बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। आपके 1000 वर्ड होंगे। स्टार्ट। सर, मैनी फार्मर्स आर नॉट एबल टू ऑब्टेन द एडवांटेज ऑफ मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइजेज बिकॉज procurement centers are sometimes at a considerable distance from their farms and villages. We intend to increase the number of procurement centers so that eventually every Kisan will have access to a procurement center within 10 kilometers of his village. The rural roads network will also be strengthened in a phased manner. Kisans, particularly those engaged in the farming of perishable farm commodities, are often denied a fair share of the value of their produce because of the very perishability of their produce. Full stop. The only answer lies in expanding rural godowns and cold or cooled storage facilities. To this end, a special program being instituted for the extension of institutional credit on attractive terms for the establishment of cold or cooled storage facilities in rural areas. There is scope for substantially improving credit facilities for the farm community. We propose 4 specific steps in this regard. First, we must rectify the problem of credit not being available to members of cooperative because of the cooperative to which they belong having become ineligible for NABARD refinance. We have decided to become ineligible for NABARD refinance. We have decided to open with effect from the ensuing Rabi season a special line of credit of rupees 100 crores through cooperative and commercial banks, which will be earmarked exclusively for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe farmers. Second, scales of finance for short-term production credit will be revised annually so that the credit made available to the farmer fully meets the recommended doses of inputs at current prices of regime is being instituted for Kisan in rain-fed farming areas covered by watershed development programs. The new regime will operate on the basis of ensuring the availability of credit through a 3 to 5 year cycle so as to even out the inherent risks involved in good and bad monsoon years appearing in a cycle in such areas. The special credit regime will take into account problems of overdues which arise within a cyclical period to ensure an adequate flow of credit in support of viable crop production and other allied activities. This regime will be reinforced by a major program of watershed development in rain-fed farming areas. The fourth step is essentially procedural, which Kisans will immediately recognize as being of the utmost importance to their requirements. The National Agricultural Credit Relief Fund will devise a comprehensive relief policy based on the special characteristics of production and the severity of damage in different agroclimatic zones. Through the rescheduling of loans and waivers of interest and principal in defined circumstances, the credit needs of farmers in different zones will be kept in view. While we have invested astronomical sums of money in land improvement and irrigation, our management of land and water resources has been so poor as to render the benefits secured far below the optimum achievable. We propose to take a number of steps. As honorable members know, points 14 and 15 of the revised 20-point program lay considerable emphasis on housing for the economically weaker sections in urban areas and for the landless workers in rural areas. During the past 8 years, more than 82 lakhs plots have been allotted to the landless workers in rural areas and 34 lakh such families have been given in rural construction assistance. Nearly 156 lakh slum dwellers have been benefited under the scheme of environmental improvement of urban slums and 14 lakh dwelling units were constructed under the housing scheme for economically weaker sections in urban areas. Under the Indra Awas Yojana, 4 lakh dwelling units have been constructed for the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and freed bonded laborers in rural areas. Efforts are on to strengthen these programs with the setting up of National Housing Bank under the aegis of Reserve Bank of India. A major landmark has been achieved in the housing finance institutional framework. It will coordinate with various sources of housing finance, regulate functions of housing finance institutions at different levels, and augment the flow of funds for housing by different income groups all over the country. Regional housing finance institutions like Housing Promotion and Finance Corporation Limited, Kolkata, have been established with a view to providing a sound housing finance network at regional level. One more corporation for the northern region is being set up. You may be aware that the Reserve Bank of India has also liberalized the lending norms of the commercial banks for increased flow of finance to individuals for new constructions and repairs. The amount of loan admissible has been enhanced by reducing the margin required to be provided by the beneficiaries. The interest rate has been reduced by 1% for loans up to rupees 1 lakh. Next para. Also, the period of repayment of housing loans has been enhanced from 10 to 15 years. Further, where mortgage of property or government guarantee is not feasible, banks have been permitted to accept other forms of security for loans. For ensuring easy access of standardized building materials and components and establishment of supply centers on a decentralized basis, a centrally sponsored scheme for setting up of a national network of building centers has been launched. During the current year, 100 centers are to be established which will act and as conduits for transmission of low-cost technology training of youth and artisans. Till now, 18 centers have been completed and another 57 are nearing completion. Stop. To eradicate houselessness in urban areas, the central government has started a scheme in major cities with the objective of providing shelter to payment dwellers. Under this scheme, a small beginning has been made by the sanction of rupees 34 lakhs to cover 850 payment dweller households in Kolkata. A proposal to cover 6,500 payment dweller households in Chennai at a cost of rupees 4 crores is under scrutiny. Full stop. स्टूडेंट ये आपकी 100 से अबाव की स्पीड है, इसको आप टाइप करें, टाइप करने के बाद इसको आप मैच करें. थैंक यू. और आपका जो पीडीएफ है, पीडीएफ की फॉर्म में आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में ये मिल जाएगा. और आपकी नेक्स्ट डिक्टेशन आएगी आपकी 840 वर्ड्स की. आप ये मत देखें कि ये लीगल मैटर है, कौन सा मैटर है, आप सभी को टाइप करें. और ये वर्ड है, कहीं से भी कोई भी वर्ड आ सकता है, इसको आप कोई भी डिक्टेशन को मत छोड़े, इसको आप टाइप ज़रूर कीजिए और इसको लिखिए ज़रूर. स्टॉप.